So I'm typically an all black, dark colors kind of girl. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone, especially here coming up in 2026 for Oner Active's Black Friday sale. I went ahead and purchased some of their products to test it out. This is the first time I'm trying out their sportswear. I will be giving more of my first impressions. Starting off with these leggings, very super comfortable. I did take them to the gym to work out today, and I only bought the leggings in the color, I forget the color. I'll link everything down below in the description box for you. I'll put the names of each of the pieces and what size. I'm about 5 feet and 115 pounds. I'll link all my sizes down below for my short girlies. I feel like how the seams are is nicely done, but as far as the material goes, it's super stretchy. It's very compressing here in the tummy, but it's still breathable. It's not like squeezing you in too hard where you can't breathe. I love all the seams that go around the booty. Obviously it does accentuate your butt, and it also has a little bit of a butt scrunch in the back. Very flattering. I worked out, I did legs today, so it definitely passed the squat test. So definitely if you squat, it's squat proof. It's very stretchy, very comfortable. I mean, so far so good, y'all. I'm liking the material. It is not like navigation. I'm sorry, I thought I was gonna love navigation, but I ended up not loving it after working out with it. So the true test is going to be if you can actually work out in these clothes. That is going to be the #1 true test. For navigation, some of the pieces, now I haven't purchased obviously all of their collection, but some of the pieces, especially the butt scrunch ones, man, they get all up in your business and it's not comfortable at all to work out in. So I think right now my top 2 brands for activewear is going to be Oner Active and Gymshark, but there's still a lot of brands out there that I would like to kind of review and try out. But as far as the ones that I've tried, those are my top 2 at the moment. So check it out. I did pair it with one of Arola's sports bra, and then I got this Amazon top to go with it. Very Christmassy, very red, very cute. Cheeks are popping, so very cute. Go ahead and try the other pieces out. Okay, so these cross over twice here in the waist. Is a little on the snug side, but it's very comfortable still. It does compress your belly here nicely. I did not get a matching top for this one. I just wanted to get the shorts to see how I like them and just to try them out. They are on the longer side, so obviously you can bring them up to your liking. I like that the material is nice and soft, still stretchy, still comfortable. Obviously the true test is going to be testing them out while working out, but I do like the design in the back here. It has that nice V going into the glutes to kind of give you that nice accentuation of the glutes and giving you that nice silhouette. Very, very nice. I am just wearing a Gymshark sports bra on top. It's a little darker than this one, but it's still green, and I mean you can mix and match. There's no rules to activewear. Actually, this one is really cute. So all right, so far so good. It is just below the belly button, so it's not a high waist short, but it still feels like it. It still kind of looks like it. Yeah, these are the shorts. I'm gonna go ahead and try the other shorts that I got. I forget which one is the green one. The only thing I don't like is if you bend down, right, and if you're working out, it does kind of roll down a little bit here if you're not completely flat stomach. So that's the only thing I'm not liking right now so far. Almost seems like I'm gonna have to be hiking them up all the time. That I don't like. So these green ones are the unified wrap shorts in the 6 inches. I did not see anything shorter than 6 inches for these, but I wanted to test them out and see how I like them. Will I be ordering these again? Probably not, just because of this. I feel like it does kind of roll over too much. Let me try the Effortless, and then I'll give you my true opinion between one and the other one. As far as comfort and silhouette, I am liking them. Let me try the other one. Moving on to, so this one is the Effortless Seamless Halter Neck Sports Bra in lavender purple, and the Effortless Seamless Shorts also in lavender purple in the size small. It is higher waisted, which I love. Gives you a nice compression on the belly. It is longer for sure. So I'm just gonna give you what it looks like longer without hyping them up or doing anything. They are a little bit more translucent, I say, and obviously because it is a lighter color, but I like the silhouette that it gives. I like the seams, how they did it to go around right underneath the butt. So now what I'm gonna do is kind of scrunch them up to see what they look like. The halter top actually I love as well. There's no gaping holes around the girls here. There is a little bit here, but I mean you can't really see anything. So I like that it's nice and tight against your chest. It does come with some padding, so it gives you a nice little lift on the girls. I love the halter top because it exposes your back really nice. It shows all the back muscles. Gives you the nice definition in the back. And let me fix the shorts a little bit. There we go. Much better. So I like this length a little bit better. So you're gonna definitely have to hype them up a little bit just to get them to where you want, especially as shorter girls. I'm pretty petite, and so I think most brands, unless they have one specifically like 4 inches, yeah, 4 will probably be my ideal. So it looks like all these come in the 6. At least I didn't see anything else. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I did not see any shorter than 6 inches, I believe. So these are the longer ones, but if you hype them up, kind of scrunch them up, and look at the nice silhouette that it gives you on the booty. I mean, come on, girls. Like, and I'm not even trying, right? Like, they make your booty look really good. Again, it seems really comfortable to work in. From what I've heard, and obviously the halter top, check out the back, especially on those back days. Ooh, girl. So I think I love their Effortless. I think that is my favorite line from Oner Active so far. I mean, I haven't tried all their collection, but I can't say of anything else. But as far as whatever I've tried so far, Effortless wins big time. Got a minimal butt scrunch here, which it accentuates the gluteus maximus really nice. And again, the silhouette and the seams around the booty are really, really nice. Check it out. And last but not least, it is going to be the light gray and marine blue S regular length. So I should have probably got the short length. I didn't even look at that. But these are the joggers. They look very comfy, and obviously I wanted to get the lighter one because it doesn't really get super warm here in Florida, but still wanted something cozy for when it does get below 60 degrees. Okay, so that is the joggers. Obviously, I think they're a little too big on me, to be honest. Yeah, they're a bit too big. I should have probably gone with the extra small. Short girls, I'm gonna say 5'1" and below. If you're gonna go for their joggers, definitely go for the extra small. I feel like I'm swimming in these. These are definitely gonna be more of a lounge pair. They are very cozy. I mean, I'm already really comfortable with these. Very nice. Oner Active right here on the side, which is kind of cool. But yeah, this is probably gonna be more lounge in the house, cozy in the winter type of vibes. I don't know if I'm gonna go out with these. Maybe, I don't know. It seems a little too big for me, but they're very comfortable. Would I order these again? Yes, but probably in a smaller size. So with these, I will probably go with an extra small on any of the joggers. But that is pretty much it, you guys. That is my little Oner Active haul for the Black Friday sale that they just had. So far, I'm pretty happy with all the pieces, probably except the unified wrap shorts. I probably won't be ordering those anytime soon, just because of here, like it kept on like buckling over. But other than that, the comfortability, the durability, the material, I give it a 9 out of 10 for sure. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.